Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pauline. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm gonna be like doing my washing routine. So if you come across my channel, if you have any question about anything, don't hesitate, just leave a comment down below. Today's video is going to be very short, and I'm going to be just washing my hair. Going to take my time wash my hair, and I'm going to be trying like 2 different products. So at the end of this video, I'm going to come back and show you guys my experience like trying these 2 products. I've never tried this before. I tried the other brand, but I never tried this particular brand. Let me put this thing back. This for short hair people. This is my first time using this. I've never tried this before. So let me, okay, focus. Oh my god, hold on. My first time using this. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I got this from the beauty supply. You can get this from any local beauty supply around you, or you can get this from Meijer or Walmart. I'm just short hair texture, so it's the avocado and castor oil. So like basically everything I'm gonna be using today is include castor oil, so that's good. So this for especially for short hair people. I don't know about long hair people. It's gonna help loosen up your curl, looser and soften your curl pattern in just a minute. So basically it's like what they say, like it's gonna like loosen your curl, not a tight curl, loosen it out and soft it, make it loose and soft. Like a lot of time if I do my hair, like if I do my natural hair, if the product dry in my hair, it make it so hard. So I think this gonna really help me with that part. Okay y'all, so I took my hair down. So right now I haven't combed my hair for like 3 weeks now. Okay, so it's hurting right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna comb my hair. No, I'm just gonna part it like maybe 6 where I can be able to reach to it while putting a product in it. So I'm like, I would definitely have to comb my hair. I will have to comb my hair, but right now no. Before I comb my hair, I have to put some water in it to be able to comb it. I didn't comb it. I'm gonna grab my water bottle, put some water, comb, and then put the product. Okay, so guys, right now, so what I did here, I put some paper towel on the table. So this is the product I'm gonna be using today. I think the camera can focus right now. So that's what I'm gonna be using today. So this basically, like, actually this is my first time using the product, but I think I used the product with the same picture, with the girl picture on it before. So but this is my first time using this particular product. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Let's open it together and see what in here. How it came in a thing. I think I should have getting like 2 because my hair is too freaking thick, so I don't think this is gonna be enough for my hair, but it's okay. I'm just gonna manage with this. So this is a shampoo, this is a conditioner, and this is a water gel. This is a gel in this shampoo, conditioner, and a gel in. They put that over there. So let's go ahead and read the instruction, what they say. So we got, that's the pack, nothing in the pack is empty. A little stirring thing that you can use to stir, and it do have glove on the paper. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the glove on. I don't know if it's gonna stay on though, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put the glove on. What's my beaker? That's supposed to go. Okay, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glove on. already. I ripped the glove already. So that's the instruction. So I'm not supposed to put anything in here. I'm just gonna use this like on my hair. Open it. And we're gonna use the shampoo and the conditioner later on. But this is a pink. I opened the package, I read the instructions. So I have my glove on my hand. I don't know how long it's gonna last for. But I do have my bottle here with some water in it. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go into my hair section by section, spray it with water and put the product as we go. So the product is already open, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my edges. Like I got a pink oil and I got my own oil here in the bottle. Here's some pink oil. Then after that, I'm gonna apply this oil in the middle of my hair. I have to take the glove out my hand because it's really uncomfortable. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do with the glove on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. So I put some water in my hair. So I'm just gonna take my time and just brush a little bit, little by little. And as we go, I'm gonna add some oil on my scalp, on the root of my hair. I'm done putting the product in my hair. I still got a little bit left in the cup. So what I'm gonna do, like, I'm just gonna go like in the middle section and just go that little section by section. I know it wasn't enough, but I think it's just to wash my hair. So I didn't put anything on my edges because I don't want it to burn the product in my hair. So the little one I left in a cup, I'm gonna go into my edges with that, so that way I'm supposed to have this in my hair for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so y'all, I just got done washing my hair. So this product, I don't recommend you using your bare hand. Like, you see my hand, there is, you know, like I got a little dimple stuff in my hand. So like, I don't recommend you using your bare hand using the product. Okay, I'm done. Come closer, you can see this is my hair. The shampoo, I'm gonna go ahead and put the shampoo in my hair, and I'm gonna wash it and rinse it out quick. Hey y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair. So I just put the shampoo, the shampoo in my hair right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair, put the conditioner, and I will see you guys. I will be back. Stay tuned, don't leave, stay right here, okay? Do not leave. So I'm back. My hair is washed. So my hair is still wet. I put the conditioner and I put the shampoo and I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair. So this how it turn up, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Jamaican black castor oil, Jamaican black castor leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Go ahead and add some oil. Put some oil on my hair. And put some roller in my hair. Sit under the dryer and let my hair get dry, and I will show you guys a finishing look. Okay, y'all, so my battery about to die, so I finally put my hair in the ponytail, and I really do love my hair. So I lay my edges like a braid right here, my hair, and I leave my edges. It's pretty. So that's my edges. Oh my god, my edges is laid so freaking good. So this is my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I put my hair in a ponytail for 1 week, so my edges will probably stay for like 2 or 3 days. So because you see, as you can see, my edges. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share my video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.